has over 250 million users worldwide, so this is a huge online marketplace. Next, think about when a user searches on Google. Are they looking for something to buy? Not always. But for Amazon, on the other hand, this is a massive marketplace and search engine for people looking for items. This is a no-brainer, right? But important to remember, if you're selling items online or interested in selling items online, Amazon is the place to list them because it's where buyers go. Finally, Amazon makes it the easiest to be a seller online. They have fulfillment centers that enable any business owner to work remotely from anywhere on earth. And Amazon takes care of customer service, they pack and ship, they handle everything. So really, Amazon is your best place to start with e-commerce. So a little about me. So far I've worked as a high school business teacher, as a marketing consultant, and a web developer. So while working as an online marketing manager for a few companies, several e-commerce based companies asked me to list their products on Amazon. So I used my marketing background to really optimize their listings and make use of my keyword research knowledge to really make their ads and product listings pop. Now when I posted their products on Amazon, we started to see exponential sales growth. So I really saw the power of Amazon firsthand and began to understand this is where buyers on the internet go. So I started to sell some products myself. So I started with textbooks, just some leftover textbooks from college, some books that were just collecting dust on my shelf and family and friends' shelves. Surprisingly, board games. I sold a few unique, outdated ones that actually brought tenfold what they were worth. And finally, when I started, it was around Black Friday. So I actually hit a few of those sales and bought a few items in bulk that I planned to flip via Amazon arbitrage. So I continued selling just via an individual account and did a couple more seasonal purchases and continued to flip that on Amazon. Then I broke the 40 per month threshold as an individual account, so I started a professional account and started to research what product I wanted to create and private label sell via Amazon FBA or Amazon Fulfillment. So I sourced a few products abroad, got the inventory sent into Amazon FBA, and I've been adding SKUs ever since. Now since last Christmas, I have not grossed under $10,000 per month. So why this course? Unfortunately, when I started to look for more info on how to sell on Amazon, I found just a lot of amateur blog stuff on the Amazon selling that was kind of worthless. Or I found these really expensive programs. We're talking $2 to $5 grand for guru programs that just showed up on scam reports all over the internet. So I trudged forward learning everything myself. So with this course, I'm really giving you real-life actionable steps on how to get started today with your Amazon business. So I'm really living proof that you can quit your day job and work for yourself. Now, one thing I wanted to focus on while creating this course was not to just be the longest course, not fluff-filled. I don't want to waste your time blabbing for 20 hours. What I've done with this course is hit the most actionable steps you can take today and start your Amazon business. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you in the course and teaching you the fast-track way to start your Amazon business.